How to fix the application was unable to start correctly, 0xc000007b, error on Windows. Here are some tips that would help you fix the application was unable to start correctly, 0xc000007b, error on Windows. 1. Reboot your computer. 2. Run the application as an administrator. 3. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the application. 4. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5, for Windows 7 or below, maybe. Plan B, install. Or repair the latest version of .NET Framework. Plan C, update. .NET Framework by turn Windows features on or off. 5. Run chkdsk command as admin. 6. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. 7. Update your Windows and DirectX. 8. Fix compatibility issue between system and application, run compatibility mode manually. 9. Perform a clean boot. Find out whether the 0xc000007b error was caused by a third-party application. 10. Create a new user account. 11. Upgrade Windows. From 32-bit to 64-bit, Google.